Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how I do my stretch twist out. This is one of my absolute favorite hairstyles. So I'm starting out with a old twist out that was done on freshly washed hair, and I wore it for about a week. I'm just going to use some clips, a detangling brush. I'm going to use my Mielle Organics Twisting Soufflé. I'm going to use my TGIN Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. And I am going to use some sweet almond oil. I prefer to do my twist outs on stretched hair opposed to freshly washed hair because when you're doing it on stretched hair, it seems like the curls form along with the twist. So it takes more of the shape of the twist opposed to when you're doing it on washed hair. Sometimes it still has like the crinkles from your natural curl pattern also with the twist that you did. So it's not as stretched, and it also doesn't take as long to dry. My hair, it can sometimes take more than just overnight to dry when it's done on freshly washed hair. But when I do it on dry hair and I just spritz it a little bit with water, it doesn't take me as long, maybe a couple of hours, and then I'm good to go. The order in which I use these products, I'm going to spray a little bit of water on my hair just so that it's not completely dry to prevent any breakage from manipulating with the dry hair. I am going to then use my Mielle Twisting Soufflé. Then I will put on just a little bit of almond oil. And then about a pump of the Curl Bomb Styling Gel. And I like to make sure my hair is thoroughly brushed so that the twist can be as smooth as possible. So if you'll notice, as I'm twisting my hair, sometimes I'll take a break and I'll brush through the ends because as you're twisting it, the ends can get a little bit tangled in that process. So you want to make sure that you're keeping the whole strand of hair detangled while you're twisting. So right here, I am just visualizing how I want my hair to look when it's down and how I want my part to look. So I'm just playing with that to see how I need to twist my hair in the front. So now I'm done, and I just did about 9 twists all over my head, as you can see, doing a quick turnaround so you can see how I did it in the back. I like to just grab bunches of hair when I do it. I don't like to do defined parts when I do my twist outs because it makes it more difficult when you have to blend it all when you're taking it down. So now it's the next day and I am about to take them down. Before, I like to put some almond oil in my hands just to make sure I'm reducing any frizz from when I'm taking it down. And I'm just going to put that all over my hands and my hair. Once I take the twist out, like I always do, I always have a light hand and I try to pull it first to let the section from the twist loosen up. And then I just pull apart wherever it naturally wants to separate. If a piece is a bit frizzy, then I'll twirl it around my fingers just to make sure that it forms a shape back and it reduces that frizz. Now that everything is unraveled and separated, I'm just going to play with it a little bit to make sure that it's shaped to my liking. Do a little shake of my hair. It may look like it didn't do anything now, but I swear it does something. So I just shake my hair out and continue playing with it, adding some more volume and really getting that shape that I like. And I'm just going to take a bobby pin and place it in the front of my hair. I'm just going to pull it back and just place it right at the front. This is so that my bang isn't falling all the way down in my face. And this is how I do my stretch twist out on dry hair. It's my favorite. I love this look. It's my go-to. Always holds me down. And here is just a little turnaround so you can see the back of my hair. Please comment below and let me know if you have any suggestions or any products, hairstyles, anything you would like for me to try out. I'm more than willing. And thank you for watching.